Hi everyone, heartily welcome to all to the Wisdom Era online classes. Yes, before going to the lesson, the famous villager, shall I ask you some questions for you? Yes. Do you know how many presidents are there in our India? Yes, there are 14 presidents of our India. Do you know first president of India? Who is the first president of our India? Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first president of our India. Next, who is the current president of our India? Yes, Ramnath Kovind is the current president of our India. Next, tell me who is current Prime Minister of our India? Yes, Narendra Modi is the current Prime Minister of our India. Yes, alright my students, see here. Now I am tell about the Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Yes, he is the Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first president of India. He was born on 3rd December 1884 and he was died on 28th February 1963. Understand? And Dr. Rajendra Prasad parents was, his father name is Mahadev Sahai and his mother name is Kamaleshwari Devi. Okay? Tell me once again. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of our India and he was born on 3rd December 1884 and he was died on 28th February 1963. Dr. Rajendra Prasad parents were, his father name is Mahadev Sahai and his mother name is Kamaleshwari Devi. Yes. My dear students, now open your textbook, page number 37. The lesson 4th, the famous villager. Now I am going to read the lesson. Observe. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. He was a man of great intelligence, but he led a simple life. He paid little attention to his appearance and was shy in nature. He was dark and skinny with a thick mustache. Dr. Prasad was well known as a national leader much before India became independent. Once he had to travel by train to a remote town. It was 8 o'clock in the night when he got off at the station. He was wearing a cotton dhoti, kurta and a Gandhi cap. In this dress he looked like an ordinary villager. The platform was deserted. Dr. Prasad lodged his ruled quilt in the crook of his arm and walked to the station master's office. With great politeness, he asked the station master, "Could I make a telephone call? It is an important matter." The station master gazed at him for a while. He thought the man in front of him was a mere villager. "Want to make a call? Who do you think you are?" Dr. Prasad wanted to introduce himself. "Rajendra Prasad, Congress." Before he could finish, the station master interpreted, No, Rajendra Prasad is not going to be here tonight. You may go now." He did not allow Dr. Rajendra Prasad to make this call. Dr. Prasad was so shy that he could not tell the station master that he was speaking to Rajendra Prasad himself. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was one of the main leaders of the Indian independence struggle. In 1942, he participated in the Quit India movement against the British rulers of our country. The British arrested him and put him in prison for 3 years. While in jail, he wrote his autobiography, which was 900 pages long. India got freedom from the British in 1947. On 26 January 1950, Dr. Prasad became the first president of our country. He served as president for 12 years. He was awarded Bharat Ratna, India's highest honor, in 1962. His life teaches us the value of simplicity. My dear students, listen here. These are the some interesting words from your textbook. Alright, now I will give the explanation. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Yes, you know that. Who is first president of India? Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Next, he was a man of great intelligence, but he led a simple life. Yes, he was means here, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a man of great intelligence. Intelligence means the ability to learn. Prasad was a very intelligent guy and he is able to learn more things. Okay, so that here Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a great man of intelligence, but he led a simple life. Yes, Rajendra Prasad led a very simple life. It means that he did not tolerate others, he did not bother about others, and he lived his life in a simple manner. And he weared a simple cloth also, and he did not live a rich life. Next, he paid little attention to his appearance and was shy in nature. Yes, appearance means the way he looks. Okay, he paid little attention, and it means that he gave more importance to his appearance only. Appearance means the way he looks, how he looks. Okay, how Rajendra Prasad looks, he gave a lot of importance and value to his appearance only. And he was shy in nature. Shy means uncomfortable feeling. He is a little bit was shy person. Alright, next. He was dark and skinny with a thick mustache. Yes, he was dark and skinny. Skinny means very thin. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was very thin person. See here, he is the Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay. He was dark and skinny with a thick mustache. Mustache means meese. Understand? Mustache means meese. Thick mustache is there. For whom? Dr. Rajendra Prasad has the thick mustache. Next, Dr. Prasad was well known as national leader much before India became independent. Yes, my dear students, tell me, when we got the independence? Yes, August 15th, 1947, we got the Indian independence. Before that, before 1947, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a very well-known national leader. He is a national leader to our Indian country. Next, once he had to travel by train to a remote town. Yes, once Rajendra Prasad was travel in a train to a remote town. Remote town means far away. That the town is far away from his place. Next, it was 8 o'clock in the night when he got off at the station. Yes, it means that Dr. Rajendra Prasad reached the station at the time 8 o'clock. Which time? 8 o'clock in the night. In the night he got off at the station. Got off means he reached the station at the time 8 o'clock in the night. After that he was wearing a cotton dhoti, kurta and Gandhi cap. See here. Dr. Rajendra Prasad wear Gandhi cap, dhoti and kurta. See here. See in your textbook. Clear picture is given. Gandhi cap, dhoti pant and kurta. And in this dress he looked like an ordinary villager. Is who? Dr. Rajendra Prasad wear a very simple dress and he looked like an ordinary common villager. He dressed like that. The platform was deserted. Dr. Prasad lodged his ruled quilt in the crew office arm and walked to the station master's office. Is the platform. When Dr. Rajendra Prasad reached the station, that the platform was very empty. There is no people. Okay, there is no people. That the platform was empty. See here. Deserted means without people. There are no people in the station. Dr. Prasad lodged his rolled quilt in the crew office arm. Lodged means fixed. Prasad fixed his ruled quilt in the crew office arm. Quilt means a thick and warm bed covering. He already fixed the thick and warm bed covering and he walked to the station master's office. Station master means here the official in charge of a railway station. Yes, do you observe in the railway station there is an office, okay, for making a call. There is an office for making a call. That the official in charge person is there. That person is called station master officer. Okay. He walked to the station master's office. With great politeness, he asked the station master, "Could I make a telephone call? It is an important matter." Yes. Dr. Rajendra Prasad went to the station master's office and asked to the officer with great politeness. Politeness means with great respectfully. He asked to the station master with politeness, "Could I make a telephone call, sir? It is an important matter." Yes, what he asked, "Sir, could I make a call? It is an important, sir. Please give me permission for making a call." Like that, he asked to the station masters. Understand, my dears? Till that, I stopped this lesson. I hope you understand up to this. In the next class, I will come back with the further topic. Thank you.